Sir, we have given everything. So that is what I wanted to correct your records. Sir, he has referred everything. NDSA report, he has referred vigilance and enforcement report. You go through this. See, Akbar साहब, ये आप पूरा पढ़ो. 600 साहब, नहीं. आपको मैं पेज वाइज दिखाता हूं. He has gone through everything. No, you are absolutely wrong, Akbar साहब. नहीं, आप नहीं, हम सरकार चला रहे, हमें पता है. We have no. You go through this page. You go through 600 and I will give you. नहीं, अरे साहब ये बुक ले लो, सेकंड बुक ले लो. सर आप पूरा देखो, एनडीएसए रिपोर्ट. अकबर साहब पूरा पढ़ो, बिना पढ़े आप मत बोलो. नो. अकबर साहब, कभी कभी हम इंसान हैं, कोई भी गलतफहमी हो सकता है. आप मेरा अच्छा दोस्त है, मेरा अच्छा दोस्त. ये इसका मतलब ये नहीं है आप विदाउट वेरीफाइंग दिस रिकॉर्ड एंड रिपोर्ट you cannot make such type of statements.
Right. I'll now give me the mic. I'll say.
So let me complete. I'm not yielding, Akbar sahab. I'm not yielding. No. You are scolding like anything. I'm sorry. Absolutely, I'm sorry. I'm not going to yield. You have taken much more than 1 hour. No. आप बुक किताब कुछ भी पढ़ो, मगर गलत नहीं बोल सकते आप. नहीं, आप गलत नहीं बोल सकते. आप अगर वो सचमुच रहा तो सर, I have to answer. I am the leader of the house. I have to answer every question. I have to address every member. I have to reply. No, you cannot.
The government is at liberty to take steps pursuant to the final report of National Dam Security Authority in accordance with the law. This is what it is saying. Page number 664. आप माइक में मेरे से भी बोल रहा हूं.
अकबर साहब,